Now, people want to know what is the blockage. And I want also to know how much is the blockage. But what means? Hospitals, they say we will put a wire into you and we will see the blockage. Do you think it's a very easy process? Somebody says that put the wire and cut your body and go inside and see. I said, no, my body, I don't want it done. Without cutting, if you can tell me anything. And now this test has come. This is the latest test through which we can know how much is the blockage. It's called the CT coronary angiography. You just lie down on this table, the table moves inside, the camera goes over there and they can tell you blockages in 2 minutes. So this angiography now I don't want. The hospitals, they always go for a angiography, and this angiography I don't want because now these machines have come and this machine does not, it takes about 2 minutes to get a CT angiogram done. Just take a X-ray, give a blood, give a injection, take a X-ray and you know how much blockage is there. In Hyderabad at least 3-4 machines have already come. In Delhi there are 20 machines, in Bombay there are 25 machines. Now these machines will become popular or not? Yes, people will go for it because without cutting, without admission, without in 5 minutes and with the low cost. Now we are getting it for, in Hyderabad I think we are getting it for 7,000. In Bombay we are getting it for 6,000. In many places, in Calcutta I have got a place who are doing it for me for 5,000 rupees. I always talk to them that look, I give you a lot of patients, you reduce the cost of the patient. And this is what we have been doing for all over the country, that you reduce the cost. And at 6,000-7,000 rupees if you know the blockage, where you have to do the wire. Somebody tells me, sir, 15,000 rupees one admission and put a wire inside you and then do an angiography. I will not go for it. But somebody says without cutting, just the X-ray will get you the blockage, I will go for it. Anybody over here has done this CT angiography? Yes, now people are more. No, but normal angiography you have. So I don't want normal angiography now. People come to me, sir, I want to know the blockage. I say very simple, go for a CT angiogram, go in the morning, evening, you give me the report. And we know the blockage. Only problem, this machine has very good things. Only one problem with the machine. What is that? With this test. Some people have become opposition to this test. Who will not like this test? Who do you think will not like the test? Those cardiologists who are doing that wire business. They will not like. Obvious reason is something like you tell the opposition Chandrababu Naidu how this Chief Minister called Mr. Rosaiya is doing. He will say very good, no? He will say spoil the whole state. Why? Because the opposition can never praise the opposition. Have you understood the meaning? So those people, those who are doing that wire angiography, you tell them, sir, how is this test? They will say, no, useless, I don't like it. But they will never like it because it does not give them lot of money. So remember, this is the major problem. And these are the reasons. Remember the blockage reasons? So we have to take care of these reasons. And these reasons, if we take care, then there is no problem.